So hello, this is beginning of my chess journey. I started playing on chess.com like a year ago, but I haven't improved much. I do a lot of mistakes. I hang pieces all the time, and I usually just shuffle pieces when I have no idea what am I going to do. And I decided that I'm going to change this. So I created a simple application to train chess, and I decided to also create a YouTube channel and record this journey for other people. So in the beginning I want to show you a couple of my games, so you'll see that I make a lot of mistakes, and the mistakes are laughable maybe. So let's dive in. So the first game is some kind of leader defense. Now this is the last move I know, like from the theory, and since now it's a pure improvisation, and the game goes like this. Well, nothing special, some kind of development. I'm trying to develop some pieces, and now there is some kind of action. You can see the open file there, and I of course get a knight and pin the bishop to the knight. No idea if it's good, but I usually do these things. I could in the future, if the bishop would stay pinned, I could take him with f4, which is guarded by bishop, and I did this anyway. And then he simply retreats his bishop back, and this bishop is very good also. He points like he can go on this diagonal easily and adds pressure to this pawn. And I want to, in this position, I want to attack the enemy king, but I have no idea how, so I decided to sacrifice my bishop. He took, and I gave a check with my queen, and then I decided that I'm going to mate him with with my knight, and I did. Somehow he allowed me to jump there and there, and this is mate, and he could maybe sacrifice the queen on e8, as you can see. And this was the first game. Now let's go to the second game, which features the Italian game and two knights defense, and of course the famous knight attack. And normal variation, it's very well known. So it goes like this, and this seems to be a mistake for white, but since I have no idea how to play this variation, I decided to simply guard the pawn with my bishop. I should go h6 instead. And we exchange some knights. As I said, I shuffle pieces. Castle. Attack this bishop with this move. And I'm losing. You can see that I'm down 2 pawns now. So I'm trying to get some pawns back. So I'm attacking this. I'm trying to attack this rook and also somehow get this knight using my pawns. And my opponent allowed me that. He took this pawn and I simply pinned this queen to this king, and he resigned. And we go to the third game. This game I didn't win, so it's again Italian game, 2 nice defense. You can see that I'm the one who is attacking, so I did this move also, this bad move. And I retreat this knight, so losing, and he attacked this vulnerable squares. These two squares are defended only by one piece. This one is defended by queen, this one is defended by king. So when there is a possibility to attack these squares, you should. And I took his pawn, he sacrificed his bishop with check, and it's going to mate me, but I should go there and try to somehow pin this knight. But instead I gave this check and I hanged mate in 1. So you can see that my chess is not really somehow stable or good. So I decided to develop a chess application, chess training application, where I'm going to improve, and I will try to add more features as I find what I need, basically. So now I found that I need to do puzzles, so I did some puzzle feature. This application is programmed in Next.js on front-end side and Java on backend. You can see that this is how I've coded. I don't do front-end. I work as a backend programmer, so it's like very AI-like, but it works. So this is the part which is most valuable for me, that it's a working application, and we can fetch the puzzles from backend, and then we can start doing them. So there is a puzzle. You can see that we can move up pieces, draw arrows, and if you have no idea how to solve this puzzle or how to continue with the puzzle, we can analyze the puzzle, and we have simple stockfish which is built in the browser, and we can see that the queen takes h6 is a best move since this pawn is pinned. So we can then the best move is the mate. We can go back to the puzzle and we can, well, it's obviously the best and the only solution. Mate comes and we can basically go back to the puzzle, we can start, we can do all sorts of things. We can toggle this auto next puzzle, which basically you want to go next puzzle automatically, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.